Hi students, today we talk about syndromes. Syndrome means is a set of medical signs and symptoms which are correlated with each other and often associated with a particular disease or disorders. Syndromes is characterized by a group of symptoms. And before that, we have to study about autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes means it has 22 pairs of chromosomes, and allosomes means one pair of chromosomes. Allosomes also called as sex chromosomes, autosomes called as non-sex chromosomes. So only bodybuilders. And here we have three examples for symptoms. One is Klinefelter syndromes, second one is Turner syndromes, third one is Down syndromes. Klinefelter syndromes is a sexual abnormality in males discovered by Harry 1942. It is a genetical disease caused by additional X chromosome in human male. It is caused by chromosomal aberrations. Then it is caused by trisomy, where one chromosome is added to a set of 2n plus 1. And here this due to presence of 47 chromosomes instead of 46, the victim possesses an additional X chromosomes with XY. So here we have 22 pairs of autosomes means 44 chromosomes and 3 sex chromosomes. So totally we have 47 chromosomes. And there is many symptoms for these symptoms. They are sterile in males. The testes are small. There is no spermatogenesis. Male sex glands are poorly developed. They are tall. Amount of male hormones is low. Genitalia are poorly developed. Then finally they are mentally affected. And second one is Turner syndromes. It is a genetically disease caused by an absence of X chromosomes in female. It is a sexual abnormality in females. It was discovered by Turner in 1938. It is caused by chromosomal aberration, and it's caused by monosomy, where one chromosome is lost from one pair. That means 2n minus 1. Here, this abnormality is due to 45 chromosomes instead of 46. The missing chromosomes is one X chromosomes. Hence, the chromosomal makeup is 22 pairs of autosomes and plus one allosomes chromosomes. So totally we have 45 chromosomes. It is caused by non-disjunctions of XX chromosomes. When an abnormal egg without any X chromosomes is fertilized by a sperm with X chromosomes, the resulting baby contains XO chromosomes. The baby develops into a sterile female. She has female phenotypes, but there is no menstruation cycle. And last one is Down syndromes. It is also called as Mongolism's disease. It is discovered by Down in 1866. It is caused by chromosomal aberration. It is due to trisomy in 21st pair of autosomes. It is due to 47 chromosomes instead of 46 chromosomes. Number 21st is represented by 3 copies. Hence, it is caused by autosomal aneuploidy. It arises by non-disjunctions of chromosomes of pair 21 during meiosis. Hence, both autosomes of this pair enter the same egg. When this egg is fertilized by normal sperm, Down syndrome is results. and there is some symptoms. Is a victims look like Mongolism's face. Its mouth is constantly open. They are mentally affected. Their neck is short and broad. This nose is oblique. The ears are malformed. This syndrome appears much more frequently in children born to women in the later part of the reproductive life. Thank you very much for your attentions.